Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to guide you how to find BNB BEP20 address on Trust Wallet. So let's get started. Number 1. Open Trust Wallet. Launch the Trust Wallet app on your mobile device and log in if necessary. Number 2. Select BNB. On the main menu wallet screen, scroll through your list of assets and tap on BNB to open its details. Number 3. Tap on Receive. In the BNB details page, look for and tap the Receive button. Number 4. Choose BEP20 network. If prompted, select the BEP20 Binance Smart Chain option to ensure you're getting the correct address. Number 5. Copy the address. Your BNB BEP20 address will be displayed. Tap the copy button to copy it to your clipboard. Number 6. Save or share the address. You can now paste the address wherever needed, such as for receiving BNB or for transactions. By following these steps, you can quickly find your BNB BEP20 address on Trust Wallet. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe our channel. Thank you.